Hey everyone, hope everyone is doing well today. Today I'm here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to replace the damaged plates. These two on our right hand side, they have 180, 145, small and big. So let's start by unplugging our stoves. Our stove for safety. As you can see, the door is damaged. The wall window is damaged. So I grab my power tool here that is going to help me to remove the screws and to speed up the process. So by removing the back panel, and that is going to allow this whole unit to tilt in front here. On top of the oven door, there is some other 3 screws that we need to remove. And this whole unit is going to tilt backward and allow us to access the wires and the plates underneath. So that's why guys, pay attention. After tilting everything, this is what we have, guys. And our default plates are separated, held by independent brackets that are over tightened. So this securing brackets are a little bit damaged, but I'm going to show you how to bring them back into their original shapes. So all the wires of an individual terminal is color coded. Check them very well before moving them to avoid mismatching the wires. Wiring back a new plate. So here's the tip, guys. I replaced the bigger plate with the red dotted plate, which means the red dotted plate. The difference between the two is the red dotted plate is the high in its consumption, but it heats faster to speed up the cooking process, and it's more pricey. So the black dotted one is less pricey, but slower on a heating compared to the red dotted one. If this video was helpful, please subscribe for more videos to be dropped. Thank you.